Before the 20th century, atoms were thought to be indivisible. Today, however, we know that atoms are in fact made up of smaller particles called electrons, protons, and neutrons. The size of atoms is on the order of 10 to the minus 10 meters. Negatively charged electrons make up electron shells. The size of the positively charged nuclei is about 10 to the minus 14 meters, 1/10,000th of the diameter of an atom. Atoms are composed of protons and neutrons known as nucleons. Protons carry one positive elementary charge, while neutrons are electrically neutral. For this reason, nuclei are positively charged. In 1964, Murray Gell-Mann and George Zweig suggested that nucleons are not elementary particles. They are themselves composed of smaller particles called quarks. The existence of quarks has since been proved by research. Quarks are bound together by strong force, or interaction, mediated by gluons. They are called gluons because they glue quarks together and make nucleons extremely stable. Therefore, nucleons can only be split into quarks and gluons under extreme conditions, such as during the first few microseconds after the Big Bang. The LHC, the Largest Hadron Collider, the world's largest particle accelerator, was designed to simulate these conditions. One of the inherent properties of quarks is color charge. A quark's color can take one of three values or charges: red, green, or blue. Nucleons contain one quark of each color, therefore they are white, that is, their net color charge is neutral. Quarks that make up nucleons can be either up quarks or down quarks. A proton consists of two up quarks and one down quark, while a neutron consists of one up quark and two down quarks. Both types can be red, blue, or green. The electrical charge of up quarks is plus 2/3, while that of down quarks is minus 1/3. The charges of neutrons and protons are given by the sum of the charges of the quarks. There are several other elementary particles described by the Standard Model of particle physics. The three groups of elementary particles are quarks, leptons, and bosons. Leptons include neutrinos and electrons. Quarks and leptons are the building blocks of matter, which exist in three types. The most common, type 1 matter, is made up of up and down quarks, electrons, and electron neutrinos. Bosons mediate interactions. Gluons carry strong interaction, which acts on quarks and binds them together within nucleons. This interaction also prevents nuclei from splitting up despite the repulsive forces between its positively charged components. Photons mediate electromagnetic interaction, which acts on electrically charged particles. Quarks and certain leptons, including electrons, carry an electrical charge. Z and W bosons are responsible for weak interaction, which also plays an important role in radioactive beta decay. Weak interaction affects all the quarks and leptons. The Standard Model only includes bosons that mediate strong, weak, and electromagnetic interactions, but this does not explain gravity. The hypothetical mediator of gravity is called the graviton, which has not yet been detected. The Higgs boson is responsible for the mass of particles and bodies made up of particles. Gravity affects particles through their mass. The Higgs boson, often called the God particle, was the last of the bosons included in the Standard Model to be identified in the Large Hadron Collider, which had been built partly for this purpose.